Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Welcome to our second PU Computer Science online classes. In last class we studied some important topic, that is from 2 or 3 marks question. The questions like our gateway, and also we can say about our what is SIM card here, and also the EDGE and GPRS, with that the GSM global system for mobile communication. Okay, now in today's class let's see the next very important 5 marks questions. The question is application in networking. As we know that the meaning of the application called as the users of the networking here. So why are we using the networking? So some of the application in networking are, first one is the SMS. As we know that the full form of the SMS is the short message service. Short message service. Second one is chat, or simply we can say as the chatting in this case here, text chat. And third one is the video conferencing, video phone here. And next fourth one is the Wi-Fi wireless fidelity, and also the Wi-Fi hotspot. Clear this point here? Okay, now let's, in today's class we are going to study some important point about our application in networking. So first of all, I want to select the first point is the SMS. As we know that the full form short message service. So the short message service here is the transmission of short text messages. Am I right? And it going to transfer from one mobile device to the another mobile device, to or from the our mobile device. The message, whatever the message you are going to type is the transmission. It going to transmit as a short text messages from one mobile to the another mobile here. Now we know that is it able to write lot of information by using SMS here. So we can say that the messages must be no longer than the some fixed number of the alphanumeric characters. Clear this point here? So we can say that the meaning of the alphanumeric. So the meaning of the alphanumeric we can say as the alphabet as well as the number. Sometime while going to type we are using the alphabet A to Z letters, or sometime we need to use some of the number also. So we can type by using the alphabetic numbers. So here we can say the message must be no longer than some fixed number of the alphanumeric characters here. And by using the SMS, is it possible to send the messages? That means we can send the messages, but is it possible to send the images or the graphic here? No, we can't send the images and the graphics. So messages, that means in our SMS it not possible or not contain the message, not contain the graphics and the images here. Clear this point here? And later whatever after typing some of the message by using the mobile phone, you are going to click the send button. Correct? No? So once the message is sent, such message is received by our SMSC. Clear this part here? So we can say that after typing message, then sure you are going to click the send button. When you are going to click the send button, on that time only, first of all such message is received by our SMSC. The full form of the SMSC, short message service center. Clear this one here? Then must then get it to the appropriate mobile device. Later was after checking each and every processing, whatever the processing is that, all those going to checked by our SMSC short message service center, and later was which such message then get it to the or pass into the appropriate mobile device here. But what are the process it's going to do here? So we can say that the SMSC just send a short SMS message or a request message to the HLR. Clear this point here? It is very important concept. So should listen it properly. As we know that about our what's the message is that you are going to send. First of all, such message is received by our SMSC short message service center, correct no kya, and later was such a short message service center after doing some of the processing action here, later was such a message is sent it to the appropriate mobile device. But in between what's the process it going to do? So SMSC just send a SMS request to the HLR, that means the home location register. Clear this point? The home location register here just to find the roaming customer. Clear? Whether the customer is roaming or not in this case, just to find, to know about the customers roaming in this case here. And later next one, after that, after knowing each and every point, that means once the HLR receive the request from the SMSC here, and it going to respond to the SMSC with the status of the customers, that means the customer is active, or that means the customer SIM mobile phone is active or inactive in this case here, or with that also we can say that about whether the subscriber is roaming. So because of this reason they will giving some of the, or they will applying some of the charges to the messages depend on the after finding the roaming customers here. So clear? What about how it going to work? And after each and after knowing the each and every information, later was the HLR sent message to the SMSC here, and later after collecting all those information whether we need to charge to such SMS or not, each and everything here, later was the SMSC pass such information to the appropriate mobile device. So like that the SMS going to work from one mobile phone to the another mobile phone. So clear this point? What about the SMSC in this case here? Okay, now later about our chat in this case here. The chat, as we know that the chatting is the most fantastic thing on the internet. Clear? As why? Because we know about everyone going to make the chat in this case here, and just that means maybe just to take the time pass in this case here, just to make the time pass in this case. So is the most fantastic thing on the internet, and the chatting is just like a telephone text chat. Clear this point here? It is a text phone chat in this case. But what's the difference to our chatting, text phone chat, and just for our phone conversation? So when you are going to know the text phone chat here, just only we are going to type something, is it? But what about in our phone conversation? So in phone conversation here the use is something and people hear it, correct no? And later respond to your message here, or one can hear any responses on this spot and can message immediately or respond immediately or instantly. So this is going to work in case of the phone conversation. Clear this point? Whatever I am going to tell, first of all I said about our chatting, that is the text chat. As we know that in case of the text chat we are not going to use any, that means we are not going to hear something, or each and everything is not there in this case here. But in case of the phone conversation, that means you are going to say something, the other person going to hear your any information is there, and later respond to your message in this case, correct no? So in case of our same, that means in the same manner in case of our chatting here, how we are going to do, that means here by using the mobile device we are going to type something on the screen, correct no? We are going to type something on the screen here, and later what such message is going to pass to the recipient, and then the recipient accept the message in responses, and later it going to type to you whatever the it just providing some of the response on your messages to which is received by you immediately. Is it correct here? So this is about our chat in this case here. So clear the meaning of the SMS and the chat? Well, because it is very simple thing about our chat, and just only so in this example I completed. First one is the telephone conversation. Here no any chatting, we are not going to type anything here. Whatever is that, just only by using the voice, correct no? The voice call only here. So maybe whatever the message you are going to get here, you are giving some of the response to such call here. But what about in case of the chatting? Here we need to type something in this case, and whatever we typed we immediately just passing to our recipient, and after getting the immediate message, the recipient going to pass any responses to your message, correct? No, your message. So here like that some of the conversation going to happen in case of our chat here. Okay, now later next one is the video conferencing. So what about the video conferencing here? So we can say that the next very important development in our internet communication, that is called as the video phone. Okay, it is not a voice call. That means here not just only the voice, that means by using the voice call here we are going to talk here. Here just only it is a video phone. You know about the difference to our voice call and to the video phone in this case. So the people who have a multimedia PC with the camera, that means just to see each other we need to use multimedia PC, and also such a PC need to use some of the camera, web camera in this case here, and also we need the video compression hardware, correct no kya? And why we using all those, maybe the PC, multimedia PC, with that we need to use the web camera here, and also we using the video compression hardware because to access to the internet, and here we are accessing the internet just by using or over an ordinary telephone line. We need to use the connection of the telephone line connection also here. So lastly we can say the video phone software, that means we can see each other, correct no? Just only while talking we can see our face to face communication. The face to face communication going to happen by using our video conferencing. So the video phone software can see each other, so which is what called as the video conferencing. Only simple word we can say as the video call. So clear this part. What about the video call? Some of the note about the application in networking. Now just we completed three concepts. First one is the SMS, how it going to pass from one to another. First of all, such message received by which center, and after doing some of the processing, after providing some of the request to the HLR, then laterwards after knowing each and every status about the subscriber status, then it going to make some of the charge to the message, or maybe no charge to the message depending upon the roaming customers. Okay, and laterwards we know that about the chat here. We are going to type something and the recipient going to get such information, and in response he also giving some of the response message to you which is received by you immediately. And later next one, video conferencing, as we know that here because video phone software can see each other while talking is called as the video conferencing or the video call. Okay, now later next one is about our Wi-Fi. So what's the full form of the Wi-Fi? The full form of the Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity. Clear this point here? Wireless. Here fidelity spelling I am using as the FIDELITY, fidelity here. So here which let you connect to the internet connection. Why we using the wireless fidelity? What's the use of the wireless fidelity here? So such one is using just to access the internet, to connect to the internet. But how we are going to connect to the internet? That means we are going to connect to the internet without direct line, that is from your PC to the ISP. Clear this point here? That means here we are not going to connect directly, that is from PC to the ISP here. Here whatever the connection is there to access any internet connection, to access any internet, so we can access the internet without direct connect here. So without direct line from our PC to the ISP here. So ISP full form is the internet service providers. Clear this point? The internet service providers here. So now let's to work Wi-Fi we need to use some of the things. Okay, so for Wi-Fi to work properly, what about the things or what you need to do here? So the first of all we need to use a broadband internet connection. Clear? So maybe I want the Wi-Fi, that what are the work or for work Wi-Fi properly here we need to use some of the things like the first one is the Wi-Fi, or we can say about a broadband internet connection. The second thing I need to use the wireless routers. Clear this point here? The wireless routers. So why we using the wireless router? Because which relay or provide the internet connection, that is from the wall to the PC. Clear this point? First of all, just for Wi-Fi, first of all, we need a broadband internet connection. That means it should go at very high speed here to access. We can very quickly access the internet, whatever the information you want to access through the internet here. So just we need to use the broadband internet connection. Secondly, we need to use the wireless routers. As we know that what's the use of the wireless routers in case of the Wi-Fi, which provide the internet connection, that is from the wall to the PC, to connect the connection that is from our wall to our PC. And third thing, we need to use maybe the laptop or the desktop. Clear this point? The laptop or the desktop here. And also with that we need to use the wireless external card or maybe the external adapter. Okay, the external wireless adapter. So each and everything we need to use in case of the Wi-Fi. So clear this part about the Wi-Fi. Okay, now after completing the Wi-Fi here, now let's the last thing about our Wi-Fi hotspot. The Wi-Fi hotspot here. So here we can say that the Wi-Fi hotspot are the place, and what we using such place that offers the Wi-Fi access here. Just to access the internet connection, it is a place by sitting in such places we can access the Wi-Fi internet connection here. So the public can use just to access the internet connection. That means sure we need to use some of the devices. So the public can use maybe the laptop here, maybe the Wi-Fi phone they can use, or maybe any suitable portable device. Correct me here? Maybe the suitable portable external device they can use just to access the internet through the Wi-Fi hotspot. Clear this point? So clear the meaning of the hotspot. That means it is a place, and such place offering the Wi-Fi access. As we know that the meaning of the Wi-Fi access, we are going to access the internet, and such internet we can accessing just through the hotspot, that is called as the Wi-Fi hotspot here. And that means the Wi-Fi hotspot are the public locations. Correct? Now maybe it possible to get maybe in libraries here, or it is a place like libraries. Maybe we can get in our hotels here, or maybe we can get in the airports in this case. And sometimes such connection, the Wi-Fi hotspot connection, we will get in free of charges, and sometimes we need to pay some of the money. Is it right here? So fee based wireless internet access, just going to access through the Wi-Fi hotspot here. So that means totally we can say that now nowadays we can get in our many areas, that means around the world also, about the Wi-Fi hotspot here. So clear each and every point about the Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, so this is called as the application in networking. The first one is the SMS, second one is the chat, third one is the video conferencing, fourth one is the Wi-Fi wireless fidelity, and last one is called as the Wi-Fi hotspot. Thank you.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.